Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. To power off or switch off your phone, there are two methods to do it. What you do is just use power button on the right side. Just long press this power button and it will show the power off button. This is the power off button. If you once press it and it will go to the power off. Okay. Or otherwise you have other option. Just go to the notification area and swipe down again and you will see one button here. This is the button, power off button. Just click it and power off menu will appear and click on power off there and again click on power off and yes, it will be switched off. So you have two methods to power off your phone. First method, using power key, that is side key in your phone, or you can use soft key in the notification area. Okay, it is switched off. You will experience one vibration. After that you can understand that your phone is completely switched off. If you want to switch on again, you go to use power button only. Here you cannot use soft key. Okay, just long press this power button and your phone will boot up. Just wait. Samsung Galaxy logo appears and after few seconds your phone will be opened up and you can use your phone. See here. So to power off you have two methods. To power on you have only one method, that is using power button. In this way you can easily do switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.